Let's make some delicious and healthy burritos. Before we start, make sure to prepare your rice like described on the package. We want to start with cutting everything. Grab an onion and finely dice it. Mince a clove of garlic. Cut up the bell pepper and cut into squares. Quarter a zucchini and cut into slices. I like to keep mine a bit thinner, so it doesn't overpower the rest of the ingredients. If you use chopped up tomatoes, it's your lucky day. Otherwise, chop them up yourself. Now, to prepare the filling, we want to add some oil to our pan and start heating it up. Add your onions and cook until translucent. Then add your garlic and cook it together for around 30 seconds. Now add your zucchini and bell pepper and keep moving it around. After a few minutes, the bell pepper and zucchini should be soft. At this moment you want to add your kidney beans and corn. Stir it all together and cook for another minute or two. Now add your chopped up tomatoes and add some cumin, paprika powder, chili flakes, salt and pepper. When everything is done, and to taste, add your rice. Stir until everything is perfectly combined and the rice is hot again. Now for the difficult part. Add your filling to the middle of the tortilla. Drop on some shredded cheese and fold the edges in. Now fold over the side that's closest to you and pull the filling in to make it tight. Now continue rolling and fold in the edges if needed. Now plate them and there you have it. Tasty and healthy burritos filled with vegetables. Enjoy!